Good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. For some time now, I have been focusing my teaching on how to use Microsoft Word mobile app. This is what I've been doing for about a month now. So I believe I covered enough in that area, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to complete some tasks on Excel mobile app. Okay, so I will be starting with how you can enter data in Excel when you're working with the mobile version. Some people find it difficult, so let's get it practically on how you can do that. So the first step is to access the Excel app. So I'll swipe up. Then in the final search, I will type Excel. Make sure you have installed the Excel mobile app on your smartphone already. Okay. Then this is the Excel app that shows up here. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Alright, it has opened, showing me some of the files I worked with in the recent time. You can see KDP cells, SY charts, book 3 and the rest. So I will be working with a fresh workbook. Okay, so I will tap on the plus sign, position at the top right. Then select blank workbook. Alright, now I can give this workbook a name. The only way to do that is you can see that place you have book 4. Just tap on it and change the name. Maybe I can teach tutorial or just tutorial. Alright, they were just tutorial. I can just anything I like. Okay, let me just alright, then hit the done button or the enter button of your smartphone. Depends on what is positioned there. Alright, so alright, I give it this file name. Now the first cell of the first column A is chosen by default. So if I want to start typing something or a data here, I'll just tap on it. Specifically tap on that maybe twice. Alright, 2 times, double click, just double tap on it. You can see now I can now enter anything I want there. Okay, let's say males. Then tap on the second column, females. Alright, so or if you want to enter, if the data you want to enter is number, just tap on the cell, enter the number. Okay, so anything you want, any data you want to enter at all, just this is how you can do that. Okay, I hope this explains that. So in other videos I will be doing, I'll be covering more on how to use a Excel mobile app in this stage. Okay, which after that maybe we jump into desktop applications of Word and Excel. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and leave comment. Thank you.